For this, you're going to need a toilet paper tube that is clean and clear, and you're also going to need a pair of scissors. It's really easy. All you're going to do is take the toilet paper roll, and at the bottom, you're going to pinch it in half. You're going to make sure you crease it about a thumb's width up. Crease it really well. And then you're going to take and line up those two creases and fold it in half the other way so that your creases should be evenly spaced. Again, about a thumb's width, about half an inch of a crease. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut on the crease, each crease. And then once you've made all 4 cuts, you're simply going to fold in the edge between the cuts, and you're going to overlap them as you work your way around, like you're folding a box shut with the flaps. Tuck the last one under the first one, and then press down to kind of get them all to stick. And that's it. It's okay that there's a hole in the bottom because you're going to need a little bit of drainage. So what you do then is you just fill it with dirt and add your seeds to get your seedlings started. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so that you see all of the Renaissance Texans' latest videos. Make sure you hit that bell.